Young Miami abruptly walks away when her smoke alarm goes off.
Okay, wait, I'm on. So, shh.
What? Who? Who made it?
Always no remote. Always no remote.
Hey, y'all. What's up? It's been a long time. Do y'all miss me? For real, can y'all just aside? Like, everything aside. Ain't it?
I'm trying to see if I can see.
So what's up? So I told y'all to meet me on live. I'm here 21 minutes late, but you know the vibes. What? So we finna take a shit. I want everybody to take a shit. I'm gonna add some people. We finna have fun. I'm finna add some people. We finna have fun. Today is Funky Friday. It's Funky Friday.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Sponsored by DeLeon. So let's make some have a little fun. It's been a while. I ain't been on live in a while. Roro. Listen, baby. You know, I keep everything raw over here. It's like, hold on, Ken, come do this. So we can do DeLeon. DeLeon can either go, Friday could either be bald head house shit where you like on your bald head house shit, or you could either be in the house where you just chilling, you just smoke. Okay. You just chilling. You just chilling, you know, you with the vibes, or you could just be on your bald head house shit. Tonight, I think I want to be on my bald head house shit. It's Friday. I ain't got no kids. That was my nephew.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.